Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can craft rails and a rail cart in Hytale. So to begin with, all we need to do is come over to the workbench here, and when you've got your workbench open, you just need to go ahead and drop some logs in order to get planks, which is up here. So if I want to go ahead and get some extra planks here, I'm just going to go ahead and craft those. So I've got 33 currently available in my inventory. And then I'm going to come over here to my workbench. You will see here on the tier 2 is the one that I currently have. You can't do this right now in the tier 1, but once you've got your tier 2 built, you can see here that I currently have rail and rail cart available. The rail cart does require iron ingots, so I can go ahead and craft one of those. And then I've got the rail here as well, and they will take any form of planks and one iron ingot for 4. And once I've crafted those, I can come over here and lay down my track. There we go. Pop the rail cart at the beginning, press F to get in it, and then just using my W key, I can move forwards and backwards as such. If you want to get out, you just need to press F again, and if you want to pick it up for whatever reason, you just need to hit it 3 times in order to collect it. You can do the same with the rail track if you want. There is currently no durability on these, so you're able to pick them straight up again if you want to use them somewhere else. And that is how you craft a rail cart and rail in Hytale. I hope that this tutorial has helped.